Hold on. These are our chickens. And you're going to see one of them jump. Ready? Go. Look at that thing. It jumps like crazy. Or do you have another jumping chicken?
Think her.
Let's try it. Wow. Try it again. Any more jumping chickens?
No, just those two.
Well, let's try one more. Show the buff one more time. People want to see. Hold on. I'm not. Oh, wow. Look at that thing. It's got springs. It's like a pogo stick. And this chicken right here is known as Raptor. It lays green eggs and is 4 years old. The best chicken right here is Princess. That's a buff orphan. There she goes. There she goes. She's jumping again. These are the silver Wyandottes right here. And it's going to jump again. Ready? Go. Good jump. We're feeding him flax crackers that Michelle used to eat. She had to run so bad that she couldn't do it anymore. New Jersey Giants are the black. And that's New Hampshire red. And those silver chickens are silver Wyandottes. Right there, there's a silver Wyandotte. There she is. Running to get more food. And there's Warren. Ready? Let's try again. One more jump. Nice. Not a big jump. Not that hungry. They only jump if they're really hungry.